M10-95DM Beyond Precision, Vast Space, Intelligent Sewing. As a new generation 8-axis linkage template sewing machine, the M10-95DM redefines industrial sewing standards with 9 core technological innovations, empowering intelligent manufacturing with cutting-edge technology. The effective y-axis sewing range is expanded to 970 mm, greatly widening the fabric processing width. It supports automated sewing of large cut pieces, enabling one-time forming of large fabrics without secondary splicing. Equipped with a suspended lower motion platform, it eliminates alignment errors between upper and lower rotation centers, cuts manual calibration costs, and maintains zero-error stable sewing even under complex working conditions. Featuring an oil-free full head design with diamond-coated needle bar protection, it fundamentally eliminates oil contamination and meets the clean sewing requirements of high-end fabrics. The upper and lower rotation mechanisms adopt dual independent drive motors, achieving ultra-high synchronization control at plus or minus 0.01 degree level with lower load and faster response, delivering maximum sewing precision. The integrated 6-point table support, compared with the traditional 3-point design, ensures table flatness and reduces vibration and noise during high-speed operation. The built-in rotary hook oil supply system delivers precise micro-oil supply, and waste oil can be automatically filtered and recycled, extending the oiling interval. The all-new 6-cylinder pressure frame structure adapts to various wide format and sized templates with uniform and convenient clamping, realizing universal compatibility for all specifications. It is equipped with a full range of intelligent functions as standard, including motor-driven thread trimming, electronic middle pressure foot, automatic thread wiper, and electronic thread clamp, covering the entire automated sewing process. The new generation M10-95DM 8-axis linkage template sewing machine reduces costs and improves efficiency, realizing vast space intelligent sewing built on superior precision. M10-95DM Beyond Precision, Vast Space Intelligent Sewing. Optional laser cutting device. Optional suction device.